My diamond was a special feeling for me that I had to have my son close to me. I didn't want to throw ashes in the sea, so I sent ashes to Switzerland. When I saw the diamond, it was so special to me. I wear it every day and I kiss it every day. It makes me feel very special to know that he is there, just in a different form. If I lose this, I will be completely devastated.
Start with the first step of receiving the carbon samples. Usually it is either ash, cremated remains, or hair. Our job is then to isolate the carbon from the carbon source. As you can see in this step here, we have already isolated the carbon. Furthermore, we transform this carbon into graphite, and then from there we put it into our high pressure, high temperature machine at head office in Switzerland, where we grow the diamond slowly, atom by atom. And finally we have the end result here. As you can see, our diamonds are real diamonds. They are the same as mined diamonds. They have the same physical and chemical properties as a mined diamond. We offer sizes from 0.3 carats up until 1 carat. However, upon special request, we have been able to produce slightly bigger sizes. The diamonds start at roughly 30,000 Rand and go up to about 240,000 Rand. At the moment, we are receiving more than 100 inquiries per month. And the diamond, it takes about 4 to 8 months from the reception of ashes in head office to the delivery of the diamond here locally in Cape Town.